Hi, my friend. Welcome back to English Adventure, where the language meets real life. I'm Adam, and today I'm excited to share something that can seriously improve your English speaking skills starting today. Let me ask you this. Have you ever listened to a native speaker and thought, wow, I wish I could speak like that? You hear the rhythm, the confidence, the natural flow, and you wonder how to get there. Well, today's episode is for you because I'm going to introduce you to a powerful method called shadowing. Shadowing is not just listening. It's not just repeating. It's a training method. It's a workout for your speaking muscles. And I'll guide you through the whole process, step by step. You'll listen, you'll repeat, you'll feel your fluency grow in real time. So grab your headphones, take a deep breath, and get ready. Let's start the adventure. So, what exactly is shadowing? Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say at the same time or just a little after them. You're not just translating. You're not thinking about grammar. You're copying the sounds. You're feeling the rhythm. You're training your brain and mouth to move in English. Imagine how musicians practice. They don't just read notes. They play along with great artists. Shadowing is the same. It's your way of playing along with English. And the best part? You don't need a teacher. You don't need a textbook. You just need your voice and some time. Now, why is shadowing so effective? Here are 3 reasons. 1, it connects your ears and your mouth. When you listen and speak together, your brain builds fast connections. You don't have to pause and translate, you just speak. 2, it builds your speaking confidence. Many learners understand English well, but they're afraid to speak. Shadowing helps you break that fear. You hear yourself using real English. You hear yourself sounding more fluent. 3, it trains your pronunciation and intonation. That means your accent becomes more natural. You learn how native speakers stress words, pause, and use emotion. It's not magic. It's practice. But it works fast. Let me show you how to do it. Here's a simple shadowing routine you can try every day. Step 1, choose short audio. Pick something short, 1 to 3 minutes. It can be a podcast, a video, or this episode. Step 2, listen once, no speaking. Just listen. Get the idea. Feel the rhythm. Step 3, listen again and shadow. This time, repeat right after me or with me. Focus on speed, rhythm, and pronunciation. Step 4, do it again and again. Repetition is the key. You're not memorizing, you're training. And don't worry if you miss a word. Don't worry if you're a little behind. Just keep going. Over time, your brain will catch up and your English will become smoother. All right, let's practice together right now. I'll say a sentence. Then you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Shadowing helps you speak more fluently. You listen, then repeat what you hear. It's like training your voice to dance with English. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. I can improve my speaking every day. Speaking English is getting easier for me. I'm proud of myself for showing up today. All right. Nice job. That was great. Now, let's try it a bit faster. I'll say the sentence, you try to say it with me. At the same time, shadowing helps you speak more fluently. You listen, then repeat what you hear. It's like training your voice to dance with English. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice. I can improve my speaking every day. Speaking English is getting easier for me. I'm proud of myself for showing up today. Well done. You're doing real work here. You might be wondering, do I need to understand everything I'm shadowing? Not at first. Shadowing is about sound and flow. Later, yes, look up new words. But during shadowing, focus on sound. Should I shadow fast or slow speech? Start slow. Use podcasts like this one, then build up. Shadow fast conversations when you're ready. Should I shadow every day? If you can, even 5 minutes a day will help. It's better to shadow a little bit every day than 1 hour once a week. What if I feel shy? It's okay. You don't have to speak in public. Shadowing is private. It's just you and your voice. And with time, that voice will become stronger. Let me tell you something real. The difference between people who dream about speaking fluently and the people who actually do it is practice. It's not talent. It's not a perfect accent. It's not speaking without mistakes. It's the courage to keep going, to repeat, to try, to show up just like you're doing now. You have that courage. You proved it today. So, what's your next step? It's simple. Pick a short clip, play it, repeat it, shadow it. Do it again tomorrow. And the next day, your fluency will grow one sentence at a time. If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English Adventure on your podcast app or YouTube, and share it with a friend who's learning too. Let's grow together. You've got this. I believe in you. Now go out there and speak bravely. I'm Adam, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Take care and happy shadowing.